In the Jobs tab, I help you manage your roles and connect with candidates. Click the three dots beside any job title to open the sub-menu. Let me briefly walk you through what each option does. Edit Job allows me to adjust any job settings you defined during creation. aHunter is how I source candidates directly through LinkedIn. If aHunter doesn't appear in your menu, it means you didn't select your LinkedIn account type when creating the job. Simply click Edit Job, choose your LinkedIn account type, and it will become available. Candidates is where I collect and display everyone you've chosen to contact for that specific role. Preview Job shows you the posting exactly as a candidate would see it. Copy Apply Link copies the job link to your clipboard so you can send it directly to someone. If you privately send the link to a candidate, they won't appear in the jobs candidates list, but once they apply, I'll place them in your talent hub. Job Analytics shows you where candidates are coming from and how they're responding to outreach. Test A Recruiter lets you experience the AI interview exactly as your candidate would. If you created a human interview job type, you won't see Test A Recruiter in the submenu. Mark as closed closes the job, but you can reopen it anytime. Delete job permanently removes it. Deleted jobs cannot be recovered. In the upper right, you can search jobs by title or filter them using multiple sorting options. This is your command center. I can help you find candidates in two powerful ways. aHunter works through my LinkedIn extension. If you haven't installed it yet, please watch the setup tutorial first. When you click aHunter, I open LinkedIn with a search tailored to your job. Refine the filters however you like: location, experience, industry, keywords. Once you've tailored your search, make sure to click Show Results on LinkedIn. Choose how many candidates you'd like and then click the Start Export button. Keep this tab open while I complete the export. You'll know I'm finished when the page automatically returns to Meet Caria. At that point, the profiles have been pulled into my platform, ready for you to review, organise and prepare for outreach. To import additional candidates, simply select aHunter from the submenu, just as you did before. Any new candidates you export will be added to the existing candidates list for that job. My aFinder is the second way I can source candidates, and it works differently. Think of it as my own candidate search engine, independent of LinkedIn. Just describe your ideal candidate in plain language. I search over 1 billion profiles for you. I often surface talent LinkedIn's native search misses. Many profiles include verified emails and phone numbers. You can view LinkedIn profile links, work experience summaries, and education details. Every candidate I find will come with a link to their LinkedIn profile. If a candidate interests you, you can choose to reveal contact info. Revealing contact details uses additional aFinder credits. You're only charged extra credits if verified contact data, such as an email address or phone number, is actually available. If no additional contact information is found, no extra credits are used. Your available credits are always visible on my dashboard. When you find someone you like, simply add them to a job from the menu on the right. They'll appear in that job's candidates list. Once your list is ready, click Candidates in the Jobs submenu. You'll clearly see who came from aHunter and who came from aFinder. Sending email for aFinder candidates with email addresses. Select the candidates. Choose the preferred email if they have more than one. Then click Send Email. I'll send a personalised invitation using your outreach email template. To launch LinkedIn Outreach, select your candidates. Click Start Campaign. I take it from there. I send connection requests from your LinkedIn account. I follow up automatically at the intervals you set when creating the job. You'll see me open each profile in your browser and automatically send a personalised connect note from your account. Please leave this window open while I complete the process. Once I'm finished, your outreach campaign will be fully in motion. Before I begin sending connection requests, it's important to understand LinkedIn's limits. On a basic account, a safe range is typically around 15 to 25 connection requests per day. Even with higher tier accounts, LinkedIn now enforces weekly caps, often around 100 connections per week, so daily outreach must stay within that range. LinkedIn does not publish exact limits. They monitor behaviour patterns, acceptance rates, and sudden spikes in activity. For best results, start conservatively and gradually ramp up your daily volume. Keep outreach consistent, avoid sharp increases, and focus on well-targeted candidates. A strong acceptance rate keeps your account healthy and your pipeline growing. Once I've contacted your candidates, there's nothing more you need to do on the outreach side. A quick note about interview types. I work the same way, whether you choose a human interview or an AI interview. I create the job, launch outreach, send candidates the apply link, collect their details and CV, I generate their resume score, and place them in your talent hub, which is my ATS. The only difference happens after they apply. If it's an AI interview, I conduct the interview myself through one of my AI avatars. If it's a human interview, I send the Calendly link to the account you've connected in settings, so they can schedule time directly with you. From your perspective, nothing changes. The only difference is who conducts the interview, me or you. Candidates will complete their interview, upload their resume, and my AI avatars will assess and score them across multiple metrics. All results appear in your Talent Hub. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how I organise and rank your talent inside the Talent Hub.